Good evening, I'm Kurt Gabriel Evangelista from BSN 1Y3 M9A, and I will demonstrate the bed bath, shampooing, oral care, and back massage. First, we need to check the medical order of the doctor. And next, we gather all the materials. This is all the materials that we needed. Next, we do a hand hygiene. Next, we identify the patient. Sir, what is your full name?
June Giovanno.
Age, birthday.
December 7, 2003.
Can I take your wristband, sir? Next, we provide privacy of the patient. After we provide privacy, we explain the procedure to the patient. Sir, we are going to bed bath, shampooing, oral care, and back massage. After explaining the procedure to the patient, now place the bed to the working position under the elbow of the worker. Let's assume the bed is in non-working position, and we offer bedpan and urinal to the patient. So you want bedpan?
No,
Sir. Next, we put towel to the back of the head of the patient. And start bed bath. First to the eye of the patient, the face of the patient, and the neck of the patient. After that, we dry the face of the patient. And remove the towel. Next, the arms of the patient. We put towel to under the arm of the patient. And wipe it. And the back. And don't forget the hand. And dry it. And after that, we remove the towel. After that, we're going to repeat the procedure to the other side of the patient. We put down the guardrails of the bed. After that, we put towel under the arm of the patient. And wipe the arm of the patient. And dry. After that, remove the towel. After the arm, we need to clean the umbilical and the chest of the patient. We need to lift this slightly to provide privacy of the patient. And start from the umbilical up to abdomen and next to chest. After that, dry it. After that, the legs and the foot of the patient. Put towel under the legs of the patient. And wipe it. And don't forget the foot of the patient. And dry it. And remove the towel. After that, we will redo the procedure to the other legs of the patient. After that, we up the guardrails of the bed. Next is we need to clean the buttocks of the patient. We need to position the patient hinge position. Provide privacy at all. Next, 5. And dry. Next to the other side of the buttocks of the patient. We need to up the guardrails and position the patient. We need to down the rails. Upper towel and wipe. After that, dry and remove the towel and position the patient in a comfortable position and put the guardrails up. After that, we perform hand hygiene and document everything. And let's assume that I perform hand hygiene again and glovings so that we can proceed to shampooing. First, we need to explain the procedure to the patient. Sir, we are doing shampooing po. First, we need to remove the pillow of the patient and place towel under the head of the patient. Next, we put water to the head of the patient and rub it gently. Next, we put shampoo to the hair of the patient. And wash. After that, we need to dry the hair of the patient. After drying, we need to comb the hair of the patient. And remove the towel and bring back the pillow. After that, we do a hand hygiene, and after doing hand hygiene, we document everything. After we document everything, we need to perform the oral care of the patient. First, we need to hand hygiene. And after we hand hygiene, explain the procedure to the patient. So we are going to perform oral care. After that, we need to position the patient in the sitting position. And gather all the materials. Before offering the oral care of the patient, we put towel to the patient to prevent leakage or spillage. Next, we ask the patient if he can brush her teeth. So you can. After that, offer water to the patient and ask to gargle. After that, remove the towel and position the patient in comfortable position. After that, we do hand hygiene and document everything. After that, we perform hand hygiene again and do the back massage to the patient. First, we need to explain the procedure to the patient. So we're doing back massage po. First, we need to position the patient in the back position. And next, we adjust the shirt of the patient. And we apply lotion to the back of the patient. And start massaging. After that, we need to put back the shirt of the patient and position it comfortably. After that, we do hand hygiene and document everything. And it's okay. It's done.